You can make it a little shorter if you want. You can hold it like that. Or you can make it shorter.
Let's pretend we're doing the thing at the age and I'm one of your co-workers too.
Oh, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, at the baseball game.
And I'm taking a video of it.
We've got our star camera girls, Laura.
I have this camera here, the filter, the special filter, and this. I take videos and stuff, and we're taking videos of,
Campsite?
we're taking videos of this game.
Oh, that's great. We're not campsite.
So here is our camera,
Right.
and we're about to work.
So don't point at the ground though. That's right, you hear you. Is that better? Yeah?
Yeah. And we're about to see some amazing players.
That's right. They hit the ball, field the ball, all
Yep. We're making some homemade Sammy coffee.
Sometimes they call it cowboy coffee. I made it.
And we're giving it to some of the people that are playing and some of the people that are watching. And we are the workers. So we can we make the videos and the replays, and I go in the replays with Papa.
That's right. And it's a wonderful day here. Should we go down a little bit? Should we go down to the river and do some video at the river? Should we do some fishing?
Papa,
Yeah.
actually, what? It's blue. I'll show you. So your shirt is blue.
Oh, huh.
Well, the bubble bottle looks blue too. Why is purple stuff freaking blue?
Sometimes cameras color things a little differently. We'll give them a tour of our campsite.
Yeah, let's give the a tour of our campsite.
Okay.
We're at the game, Papa.
Oh, okay, that is right. All right, first up the back is Joey McConey. He's gonna hit it. Oh! He ripped around the big. Oh! And Zamora catches it. It's an out. Next up is Billy Bartholomew. Oh, and Zamora caught it again. She's a star player. That's 2 outs.
Papa, can you hold the? I'll hold the camera. I'll do a video. Actually,
I'll support it. You can do one, okay?
actually.